Hello and welcome to the Outpost RV. My name is Jeremy and today we're going to take a look at the Gray Wolf 26MBRR Black Label. This camper comes in at 33 feet 6 inches, tongue to bumper, and weighs right at 6,200 pounds empty. Up front here we have your power tongue jack with the LED light so you can see at nighttime when you're hooking up. We have two 20-pound LP tank bottles that will be filled by the Outpost RV. Has this hard shell cover with the quick access lid. Diamond plate rock guard in the front. We have the curved radius front end. Part of the Black Label package is going to be the fiberglass exterior and the deep tinted frameless windows out here. Magnetic door catch, all LED lights, lots of storage up front here with the integrated light as well. We have your power jacks, how that'll work. One leg will come down and hit the ground first. The other one will come down and they will equal out pressure to stabilize the camper for you. We have a door right into the bedroom area here. 15-foot power awning with the blue LED accent light underneath it. And then also down below, we have this holographic light. You can see it's the wolf head emblem. Same decal that's on the front there. So at nighttime, really make you stand out from the others at the campground. We have your outside kitchen that has this awesome griddle. We have an ice maker, water source, and your refrigerator outside here. We have your TV connections. That way, if it's you can just bring your TV out here, hook it in, drop it in right here, and all your connections are there ready to go. We have this Black Label emblem right here as well that lights up blue. Outside speakers that light up blue as well. We have the adventure package on here, which means we have the diamond plate going down the side. We have a 2-inch lift and these large off-road tires as well. Each wheel is going to have self-adjusting brakes. They are the quick easy loop axles. As you can see, the center cap is popped off there. And they come with a tire pressure monitoring system. How that'll work, the side of this will turn red if you're low on air, so we'll unscrew that to demonstrate. That way you can just walk around and do a visual check before you head off for your next destination. Here we have the main entrance door. We have your sturdy steps leading inside where each leg is adjustable. That way if you're on different levels of ground. Oversized grab handle. This door is the exact same as the front door there. It's got the integrated window built in and a full-size screen door as well. In the back here, we have a vent system. So if you're hauling anything with fumes in it, you can crack the vents open and keep that ventilated out while traveling. And we are pet friendly. We have your leash latch here so the furry family members can tag along. We have the patio system all set up for you. There is a screen wall that will roll down to keep the bugs out, air inside. We have your backup camera that is included and your porch light back there as well. Back here on the other side at the very top, it comes with a ladder prep. So you can buy a telescoping ladder, hook it in right there and get up on the roof for maintenance purposes. It is also equipped with a sewer hose holder that is underneath the camper here in the back. That way you can store your sewer hose when not in use. This is a 30 amp unit and it comes with a 25-foot detachable power cord, furnace vent, outside shower with hot and cold water. It's got this coil hose sprayer that can pull out. Underneath that, we have your water connections. The left side is fresh water. Now, if you're dry camping or boondocking, you fill up your fresh water tank, turn on your water pump, and use that water. And your city water. That way, if you're at a campground, hook your water hose up, and that'll pressurize the lines for you. We have your black tank flush. So when you're done camping for the week or weekend, you hook your water hose up here. That'll blast out the black tank for you. We also have a light over here, right by all your connections and your dump station down below. That way, if it's nighttime, you can still see what's going on. Cable connection, if your campground offers that, you can plug right in and get cable to your main TV in there. And last but not least, we have your on-demand water heater, which is a tankless system. It is gas only, but you're only using gas when you're running hot water, about 65% more efficient than what we've used in the past. That'll conclude our outside walkthrough of the Gray Wolf 26MBRR-BL. Now we'll take a look at the inside. As we move to the inside, you'll notice there is another light shining down that says Black Label. Another nice feature that Gray Wolf adds in here. In the back, we're going to have your dinette area there. Get a nice overview of the kitchen area. Goes up to the bathroom. Through the bathroom up to the bedroom. We have your entertainment center here. Of course, with the fireplace. I'd also like to point out these tie downs. How they go all the way up front there. Lots of tie downs throughout the camper and of course all the way back as well. We'll get started right inside the entrance door here. We have your main control panel. This is where you're going to turn your lights on and off, run your awning in and out. At the top, you can see how full and empty your tanks are. Turn on your water pump. And this camper is also equipped with 12-volt heating pads on your holding tanks underneath to give it an extended season package. Entertainment center up above where your TV connections are there. TV bracket. Underneath that, we have your stereo, which is AM, FM, and Bluetooth compatible. So you can sync your phone to that and play music that way. We have your fireplace, which can be on just for looks, or you can actually have that on as a space heater and get some electric heat throughout the camper. We're going to jump over to the kitchen area here. Down below, lots of storage. This bottom left drawer actually has a trash can built into it. We'll open that up here and take a look. Got the trash can. If you do not like that, you simply take the trash can out and the wooden insert and get another nice cabinet there. Storage underneath the sink. We have your furnace on the far right there. Right above that with the microwave. That is a convection microwave, which is also an air fryer and a regular microwave. 3-burner stove with the glass top, so you can use that as prep space if you're not cooking. Large farmhouse style sink. We have the high-rise faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Soap dispenser over to the right. We have the cup washing station over on the left and several sink attachments that come with it, from a cutting board to a strainer to an extra bowl in there. Lots of attachments included with the sink there. We also have the solid surface countertop, which is part of the Black Label package. Large kitchen window going all the way across there. Double outlets on the left-hand side. And some great overhead storage here. The refrigerator is a 12-volt fridge. We have a 100-watt solar panel mounted on the roof. These 12-volt refrigerators are very efficient, cool down in just a couple hours, and they are very deep as well, giving you lots of extra storage inside. Underneath, we have your breakers and fuses. There's a red key that is a 12-volt cutoff switch, so you can kill all 12-volt power to the battery. We have a CO2 detector, and then also a voltmeter, so you can keep an eye on your battery level at any time. Directly across the fridge, we have your digital thermostat for your air conditioner and furnace. And then we have the pantry area here. So great storage up top. And another one right down below that. And of course, you have the one at the very bottom there. Now we'll take a look at the bathroom area. This has the door that separates the kitchen area into the bathroom. We're going to have storage over here on the right-hand side. We're also going to have a digital thermostat. That is going to be for your on-demand water heater. So you can turn that on and off and adjust the temperature of the water itself. Corner shower with the skylight up above. Also need to show you the shower head in here. This is only for the Black Labels. As you can see, it's got the multiple point sprayer here. 2 in the middle. It still comes with the handheld sprayer and the rainfall effect up top there. Over above the toilet area, we are going to have this high power exhaust fan. That is a max air vent fan, multiple speeds. Storage over here directly behind the toilet, and some open linen storage underneath that. Have your toilet area. Lots of storage underneath. We also have the sink that is special for just the Black Labels as well in here. A very large sink. And of course the corner medicine cabinet, giving you lots of room in there as well. Now we'll go up and take a look at the bedroom. This camper is going to be equipped with a queen size mattress. The comforter is included. With the Black Labels, they throw in a special pillow up there as well. As you can see, the lights up above, you can have it on for a blue accent light, or you can turn it on white, so you can utilize it as a reading light. Got storage up above, hanging storage on both sides of the bed. And then over here, we are going to have a 110 outlet, And that has a built-in inverter, so as you're traveling down the road, if you pull over, you can actually use that outlet to plug in a laptop, as it will have power to it. Here's a look at that entrance door. Comes right into the bedroom area. Again, with the overhead storage, and that has cabinet doors on it, so you can utilize that while traveling. Hanging storage over here. On this side of the bed, we have a 110 outlet, 12-volt charge port, and another docking station that you can buy a Bluetooth speaker and dock it right there and keep it charged up. We also have another location for a TV in here. We've got the connections up top and the TV bracket already mounted on the wall. We'll go back and take a look at the garage area here. This camper is going to have the 2 bench seats on either side. And you could actually just pull the back cushions off of that and use that as 2 single beds. Or you can drop the table down on those wooden stiles, push the cushions together, and get 1 large bed out of it. Got this huge window over here on the left-hand side. You can see that's the interior view of the vent on the back wall there. With the patio system opened up, really lets a lot of sunlight in, a lot of fresh air, and changes the dynamics of the camper a lot. Overhead storage here. Some more windows on this side. And here's another look at that other vent for that cross ventilation. And that will conclude our walkthrough of the Grey Wolf 26MBRR Black Label. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact myself or Henry at 866-338-9845. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.